Hi everyone, my name is Cheyenne Edwards, and today I will be presenting my presentation on the health disparities of LGBTQ plus African American individuals in the United States. Social differences. The LGBTQ African American community is diverse and includes people of many different socioeconomic backgrounds. However, some common issues faced by this community include discrimination, poverty, and lack of access to resources. Additionally, many of the African American individuals face unique challenges when it comes to their identity, as they may feel like they have to choose between their racial identity and their sexual/gender identity. Community. The Black LGBTQ plus community is a group of individuals who identify as both African American and LGBTQ plus. This community is often marginalized and discriminated against by both the Black community and the LGBTQ plus community. Sense of belonging. In general, many Black LGBTQ plus individuals may feel like they oftentimes do not fit in with either the Black community or the LGBTQ plus community. They may feel like they have to choose between the two, or that they are not fully accepted by either. This oftentimes leads to feelings of isolation, loneliness, and depression. 49% said their relationships with their parents is strained. 38% of the Black LGBTQ plus individuals, youth specifically, reported discrimination based on sexual orientation or gender identity. 1.2 million LGBTQ plus adults live in the United States, 51% of those being African American, living in the southeastern portions. They live amongst the large population of non-LGBTQ plus African Americans, finding it oftentimes more challenging to fit in. Discrimination. The Black LGBTQ plus community faces a number of challenges, including racism, homophobia, and transphobia. These challenges often lead to mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. There are many stressors and sources of discrimination for the individuals. One source of stress is coming out to family and friends, which can often be met with rejection, disapproval, and even violence. African American LGBTQ plus individuals may also experience discrimination from within their own community as well as the larger society. 33% of Black LGBTQ plus individuals reported experiencing discrimination within the last few years that had a major impact on their daily lives. More than half, 55%, of Black LGBTQ plus individuals, adults in particular, said that the city or area that they live in is not a good place for transgendered people, and nearly 1 in 3 reported avoiding public spaces such as stores and restaurants to avoid experiencing discrimination. 2 in 5 have also moved away from family to prevent discriminatory experiences, and 1 in 5 avoid travel. LGBTQ plus African American individuals may experience discrimination from both the African American community as well as the LGBTQ plus at large community. This can lead to increased stress and anxiety. Additionally, they may experience violence and hate crimes. The United States does not currently have any federal laws that protect the Black LGBTQ plus community or the community at whole from discrimination in employment, housing, education, or public accommodations. Some states have enacted their own laws, but these vary widely in scope and oftentimes do not cover all aspects of daily life. This lack of protection leaves LGBTQ plus people vulnerable to discrimination and mistreatment in many aspects of their lives. In states without these protections, LGBTQ plus people may be fired from their jobs, evicted from their homes, or denied services in public places simply because of their sexual orientation or gender identity. 69% of Black LGBTQ plus individuals reported that discrimination has negatively affected their financial well-being to some degree. There is a significant discrimination that the Black LGBTQ plus individuals face in the United States. This oftentimes includes discrimination in employment, housing, education, and public accommodations. Black LGBTQ plus individuals also experience higher levels of violence and police brutality. 95% of Black LGBTQ individuals reported that discrimination has negatively affected their psychological well-being. 25% of the individuals reported experiencing discrimination when interacting with law enforcement. 24% of the individuals reported that they avoided getting necessary services for themselves or their family just to avoid discrimination. And 83% of the individuals reported that discrimination has negatively affected their physical well-being. There is a lack of research on mental health within the LGBTQ community, but particularly in the Black LGBTQ people. The very little research that we do have indicates that they experience higher mental health problems than the general population. One study found that nearly half of Black, gay, and bisexual men had contemplated suicide in the past year, and 1 in 5 had actually attempted it. Other studies have found that Black LGBTQ people are more likely to experience anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. There are a number of explanations for the mental health disparities experienced by the Black LGBTQ individuals. One is that they face discrimination from both the heterosexual community as well as the LGBTQ plus community at large. They may also feel isolated from their families and communities, which can lead to feelings of loneliness and isolation. Additionally, they may just not have access to affirming mental health care providers who understand their unique needs. Things that may be helpful include creating safe environments, access to mental health resources, and promoting open communication without fear of judgment. There are numerous physical health issues that the Black LGBTQ plus members face. One of the most prevalent is HIV/AIDS. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Black men are the most affected group in the United States when it comes to HIV and/or AIDS. Other physical health issues faced by the Black LGBTQ plus individuals include high blood pressure, obesity, and diabetes. All of these conditions can be worsened by stress, which is a common experience for Black LGBTQ people. In 2010, Black male-on-male accounted for 72% of new HIV diagnoses. In between 2005 to 2014, HIV diagnosis in African American men increased by 22%. Despite these particular challenges faced by the Black community, LGBTQ community, there are also many strengths. Some of the strengths include the rich culture and a strong sense of community within themselves, and a sense of resilience in the face of adversity. It is difficult to say whether the overall health of the Black LGBTQ plus community will ever improve or decline at a steady rate. However, it is reasonable to believe that the community will continue to make progress in terms of acceptance and access to quality care, which will ultimately lead to better health outcomes for all the members of the community. What is next on the agenda? An innovative strategy for improving the health of the LGBTQ plus community would be to provide resources and support specifically for Black LGBTQ plus individuals. This could include things such as safe spaces, affirming resources, as well as healthcare and mental health support that is specifically geared to the needs of the community. The LGBTQ community has made great progress in recent years in terms of acceptance and equality, but there is still so much work that needs to be done in terms of ensuring that all members of the community have access to quality care and are able to live healthy lives. Why is mental health such a large issue? There's actually no straightforward answer to this question, but there are several possible explanations. One theory is that African American LGBTQ plus individuals experience more discrimination and prejudice than their white counterparts, which can lead to increased levels of stress and anxiety. Additionally, Black LGBTQ plus individuals may have fewer social and support networks than other groups, which can also contribute to those mental health problems. Finally, some research suggests that there may be biological factors that contribute to these mental health disparities amongst the Black LGBTQ plus individuals, such as differences in brain chemistry or stress hormones. 47% say health outcomes for Black people have gotten better over the past 20 years, while 31% say that they have stayed the same within the Black LGBTQ plus community, and 20% think that they have gotten worse. This is my reference page, and thank you all for listening to me present my presentation.